How to copy Instagram Reel video link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy the link of any Instagram Reel so you can easily share it with your friends. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the Reel icon at the bottom left side of the screen. And here you'll see a bunch of reels. Just scroll through and find the one that you like to share. And once you have found the reel you like, just tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen, and from the pop-up menu simply tap on the second option where you can see the share icon. Just tap on it, and on the new pop-up menu just tap on the copy link which can be seen in the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Now the reel link has been copied to your clipboard, and you can just go back to any messaging app and choose the contact that you want to send it to and paste the link. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.